Hello friends, welcome to our channel Pathology 456. The Deca Head Microscope by Leica refers to a specialized multi-head microscope system designed for group viewing or collaborative microscopy, typically used in teaching, pathology, forensics, or research settings. Deca means 10, so a Deca Head Microscope allows up to 10 users to view the same specimen simultaneously through connected observation heads. Microscope Leica Deca Head Microscope. Description and features checkmark purpose and usage. Ideal for group discussions, demonstrations, or training. Commonly used in medical colleges, pathology labs, and research institutes. Hammer and wrench key features. Main optical system. Based on Leica's high-end microscopes like the Leica DM series, e.g., 2000 German marks, 2500 German marks, DM 3000. Offers brightfield, phase contrast, fluorescence, and other advanced imaging capabilities depending on configuration. Multi-viewing system. Includes one main head, for the instructor, primary user, and 9 satellite heads, for students or observers. All viewers see the same high-resolution image simultaneously. Thanks for watching the video. Connect for more videos to our YouTube channel. Thanks.